Heidi ho, all my little YouTubers out there in YouTube land. Okay, I've got a custom order. I know it's another Italian coin. I made one yesterday or the day before. I didn't do one yesterday because I just didn't have time. But this is a custom order for a lady I met at the Christmas market in the Big Apple. And this is for her husband. His name is Gennaro, Italian. She's a Finn and he's Italian. And they got married last month and he buggered straight off to Italy. But they've been together for years, so I'm going to make this ring for him. And I think this is going to have to be sunny side up on the ring. So first of all, yep, we're going to punch a hole in it. And as it's a small coin, I've got so much stuff on this table. I've been making glass and stop the world, I want to get off. Right. So Alina, I hope you like this. Let's go over to Big Red. Big Red, this is Big Bertha, sorry to say. I'm just home from the Christmas market. Big Bertha's leaking again all over the place. Lovely. Just wipe that off. And wipe that off. It goes everywhere. Right, back to the table. Do I have to slap it on the bottom again? No, I don't. Yeah, this is crazy. I'm trying to do too much all in one go. But like I say, you sleep when you're dead. Okay. This is my deburring tool called Christy Burr. And you just want to clean up that edge, it's a bit rough. So, round and round we go. Yeah, them 1,000 Lira coins, Alina, it would have been too big because he's got a size 21 and it's quite a small finger. So I had to go for a smaller coin. I hope that's okay. If you don't want it, you don't have to have it. I can always sell it on. Well, I think you'll like it. You better like it, Alina. And I hope your husband likes it as well. Right, that is deburred. I mean, I like that, but it doesn't say much on there. You've got a bit more text here as well. So I'm going to have this as a face side on the ring. Right, so that goes face down in my little 17-degree folding die. Let's go over. It's a Big Red. And do the business on it. Yeah, it's a soft coin as well. Let's break out Sandy. We just want to make sure there's no cracks forming. Your old man's got small fingers, Alina. There you go. That's pretty sexy. My hands aren't sexy though, but there you go. We can't have everything in life. Right, let's show it a bit of love with Bernie the fire starter. Yeah, I'm just home. I haven't had a cup of tea yet. There we go. Yeah, Mr. Nippy. This is called annealing. It just softens up the middle so I can work it a bit easier. But it's quite soft anyway, this coin. Which is rather good. Let's dry it off. Let's take it over to Spike. Our favourite tool in the workshop. We all love spike, don't we? Right. The kitchen roll just protects the inside of the ring, so you don't lose any of the detail. And he wants this to be a size 21, which is quite a small ring. I'll just yeah, it's very soft, this coin. What size are we looking at now? Oh, 19. So I want to go to about 22, then I'll have to reduce it to straighten up the walls. Let's get a bit more heat, it's getting a bit work hardened. Not too much heat, very soft coin. A bit like me, I'm all soft. I'm soft and gooey. Okay, a bit more. What size we got now? We've now got a size nearly 22. I've got a little bit more. Just a little bit more, not too much more. Right, what we got now? That's a size 22. And let's straighten up the walls a bit. So now we go down to the bottom end of spike. These are reduction dies, but I also like to use this as well if I can. Yeah, as a starter. Yeah, slow day today. Mondays are usually slow. We just want to straighten the walls up. What size we got now? 20 and a bit. So we need to give it a little bit more love with spike. Yeah. And a little bit the other way. God, that's where my kitchen roll's gone. Touch more, I think. It's back to 22 again. Bloody glass everywhere. That's better. Right, let's try and straighten these walls up again. That is now 21 and a half. And that is now, that's 21. There you go, Lena, that's 21. So, do we need to cut anything out of the There's a tiny bit, not much. Best way to do it is with your fingernail. $21. Right, let's show it some love with our friend Dave the Dremel. And Kate Bush is looking a bit sad. So what I'll do with this Alina is after I've done this, I will clear coat it, and it'll take a day or so to dry. What's today? Monday. So if you pop along anytime, say Thursday onwards, I'll have it with me Thursday, and you can come anytime you want. And that's why you use the kitchen roll. You don't lose any of the detail on the inside of the ring. That was a quick video, this one. It's nice and soft, this coin. It's beautiful. There you go. Gennaro. Here's your ring, mate. And it says there, please subscribe and hit the like buttons. I hope you like it, Alina. I couldn't do the other coins because they're so big, and I never got it this small. But you've got all the detail on the inside. Focus if you want to. There you go. There's some building of some sort. I mean, I'd like that on the outside of the ring, but there's no text, you know, and I like a bit of detail. So there you go, Alina and Gennaro. Hope you have a great life together. Thanks for watching, and Merry Christmas to you both. But tell me bye-bye.